This is Supabase, an open-source Firebase alternative that provides backend as a service using good old PostgreSQL. It was built by former Firebase and Facebook engineers, and it's the #1 open-source boss according to this totally not biased scoreboard. It provides everything you need to build an app, from authentication to file storage to edge functions and APIs, all tightly integrated with a relational database. At its core, there are 4 main pillars that make up Supabase. First, we have the database. It's built directly on top of Postgres, which means you get the full SQL experience plus extensions like JSONB. And you can listen to changes in your data in real time using WebSockets. Next, we have authentication with support for email, password, OAuth with Google, GitHub, etc., and magic links. And it uses JWT for security with row-level permissions out of the box. Then we have storage that's S3 compatible, so you can store and serve your files from a CDN edge POP. You can also perform image transformations on the fly, like resizing or adding a watermark. And finally, we have edge functions, which are serverless functions written in Dino or TypeScript that can be deployed globally, and they can listen to events that happen in your project, like writes to your database or user authentication events. In addition to these core features, we also have APIs. You can generate REST and GraphQL APIs from your database schema with client libraries for JS, Flutter, and Dart. And under the hood, everything is orchestrated by a number of microservices that work together to provide a unified experience. We have Postgres, which is the main database that everything is stored in. Then we have GoTrue, which is the auth microservice that handles user sessions and authentication flows. We have Kong, which is an API gateway that routes requests to the appropriate microservices. And finally, we have storage that is backed by S3 with a custom access control layer. Now, if you're a developer, you can interact with these microservices directly using their gRPC APIs or HTTP APIs. Or, if you prefer a more traditional experience, you can use the REST or GraphQL APIs. In addition to being highly scalable and reliable, Supabase is also very easy to use. You can quickly get started with the free tier, which includes a number of usage limits for each of the services. And if you ever run into issues, you can join the community for help. Alright, here's a quick demo. Let's say we want to build a simple image gallery. When the user signs up, they should be able to upload images to the gallery, and only the authenticated user should be able to delete their own images. We'll use the Supabase UI to scaffold out our project, which automatically creates a Postgres database with all the necessary tables and migrations. It also creates an authentication schema and sets up all the routes and controllers for user authentication. Now we can hit the ground running and start building our app. So there you have it, Supabase in 100 seconds. If you want to learn more, check out the links below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.